YouTube, it's your boy Saucy Boy Shaw. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys hit the sub button and also leave a thumbs up and a comment at the end of the video, guys. And I'm about to show you the car meet that I went to on Friday at Dick's. So yeah, once again, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys hit that sub button and turn on your bell notifications. And yeah, let's get it. Whew. This bitch look filthy as fuck. Got the Beamers in this bitch. You already know how we doing it. Damn. Fuck with this one though. This one's filthy. Bro, what model is that, bro? What model is that?
89 240 SX.
Woo. How's the performance, bro? Let everybody know how the performance is, bro.
It's one JZ,
Oh, shit. Damn, bro.
Yeah.
I fuck with the color, bro. It's dope, man. So if I had to choose between this one, or this one, I think this one is gonna win, bro. Probably based on the performance, bro. But comment below. Which one of these BMWs you think is gonna win? The red one. This one I fuck with the most, bro. You don't like this one?
It is.
This one's filthy.
Yo, this one's this guy.
This one I fuck with, bro.
I like those ones. This car too.
I know.
This one I want.
Damn, bro.
I want back my car.
I'm posted at this car race, man. Shit. Car meet. Shit. These cars look fucking good, man.
Old school.
Old school?
Trying to rock it, yeah.
Damn, how's the performance on it? Like, rate the performance like 1 to 10, bro.
Like a 3, bro.
Like a 3?
This
It's so
this
shitty.
one's like a 6.
It's a solid 6?
Yeah.
This
Damn.
one's just old.
Oh, shit. Like, y'all don't do low modifications to it or none? Like,
It's got an intake, that's it.
oh, it's got
This is the one that's got a lot done to it.
Yeah,
Oh,
this
I
one on the
feel
other
you.
hand.
This is my baby.
I totally forgot about it.
$5 to see what kind of car it is,
Yeah,
man.
my hand was in
Damn,
here,
bro.
right? You didn't see that.
Yeah, bro. Hey, bro, ask him. Martin, ask him.
You said what type of car is this again, sir? Toyota Martin, sir. Alright, give me my $5.
Yeah, James.
But it looks like a Lotus, though. This is a Lotus.
Hey, man, I like your car, though.
Hey, thanks, bro.
Your car is filthy, bro.
Appreciate you. You about to pay him $5 or?
I was going to buy this car or the car I have now.
This bitch sucks, no cap.
Oh my god.
Oh, nigga.
What's this bitch?
Damn, nigga.
You got the Lambador?
They got the butterfly doors type shit. God damn.
Close suicide door.
Oh, I didn't know.
You're good. Yeah, it's him right there. It's him right there. You put all the money in it, but you can't transfer it back. Fuck. Who was
vlog content, you know what the fuck going on, bro.
Oh, this is the loudest.
Oh, this one. 370 RJ. The Skyline? He said go. Hey man, he's just an amateur, bro. He's learning. He's just learning. So that's the end of the little vlog. Hope y'all enjoyed it. And don't forget to, to leave a comment and a like, you know what I'm saying? Hey, but we gonna end Hot Boy Summer right with a banger, man. I'm not gonna disappoint y'all. I'm gonna probably go to the PL Fair this week. Most likely. I'll let y'all know. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And yeah, peace out.